Announcing an extraordinary opportunity, Advanced Metal Shaping, English Wheel, Bead Roller, and Power Hammer class. Lakeshore Technical College, a leader in hands-on instruction, is pleased to offer a premium metal shaping class geared towards both serious hobbyists and developing professionals. In this 2-day, 16-hour affordable class, you will learn how to set up and properly use the Bailey MH19 Power Hammer, PH36 Planishing Hammer, BR36 Bead Roller, various English wheeling machines, metal shrinkers and stretchers, metal rollers, brakes, presses, and other sheet metal forming tools. You will make a minimum of 3 projects that will be yours to keep. Completing these projects will help you understand how to shape materials and to develop skills with the most common metal shaping tools. Class size is limited to 10 students to maximize instructor-student assist time. All students will have access to all the tools. Contact us to register.